I'm going to show you how I assembled my garage storage set from Montezuma. It was truly a frustration-free experience.
Each piece is sold separately, so you can mix and match units to build your perfect garage, just like I did. Every unit comes folded up for easy transport. Once home, you will simply unfold, attach with provided hardware, and set up wherever you want. All you will need is a power drill or a screwdriver. I'm going to show you how to assemble a 4-drawer base cabinet. 4-drawer base cabinets are fully welded and require minimal assembly. Turn it upside down and screw the adjustable feet into the bottom of the cabinet. Then turn it upright and attach a worktop using the 4 screws provided. Because I want these units to look good in my garage, I also attach them together with the screws provided. They are attached at the top of each unit. There are also end covers provided to hide the holes that I am not using.
And there you have it. Not frustrating at all. For more information, refer to the owner's manual that came with your new unit.